Today's video is going to help you a lot, even if you're a scalper and even if you're a day trader, because I am going to share a very unique method by which you will be able to catch a lot of profits. But you need to follow the advice that I will be going to give in this video, because the method is very interesting for the scalpers. Okay, because I have found a very good combination that actually works, and some traders are using it in a very wrong way. So I am going to rectify each and everything in this video. And if you follow this method for like a day on your accounts or in a demo account, then you will see that your account growth will be coming in short time. Okay, so like for example, if you decide to trade the next 1 hour, then you will see the massive results using this method. Okay, so before we jump in this video, and the guys, you can visit the website, that is fxmentorus.com. This is our website where we have posted the banner of the best forex and the crypto broker. You just need to click on the get started to join the best regulated that provides you very fast deposits and withdrawal methods, and this is one of the top brokers on the web here. Okay guys, moreover, you can learn a lot of stuff from my there are a lot of concepts that are available in the form of articles. You can read those articles to improve your trading knowledge, right? Okay guys, in the indicator section here, you will find the two indicators that are our private indicator. The first one is the bank selling order, and you can find all the details and you can get the access of these indicators just by contacting on the Telegram. And you can also use the email option here, and you can book the lifetime versions of these private indicators, or you can book the 1 hour market maker session with me. If you go and check my Telegram link that is given in the description of this video, then you will find my lot of students are making good amount of money every day just by following the market maker method. And this is the amazing method strategy that I have shared with my students. So you can be a student and you can book your 1 hour session with me. Okay, now coming back to the point that how this strategy is very powerful. Yes, this is a very powerful strategy because you guys normally use the zigzag concepts on the available on the TradingView, but this is bit different. Okay, I'm going to remove this setup from my screen, and let's start from Great Britain Pound JPY, and let's go to the indicator section here. Here you need to write RSI swing, then this indicator will come, that is called RSI swing indicator version 2 by Mr. Dynasty. And now you can just imagine that how many likes this indicator has received so far. It has increased more than 6,000. So it means that this indicator is already very famous. But if it is not in your eyes, then it means that you have mistaken somewhere. Okay, so first of all, we are going to attach this indicator, and now you can see it is attached like just like a form of the zigzag. Okay, but this is not enough. Like you guys just start to implement the trading just by the zigzag indicators. No, we cannot trust the all signals by the zigzag indicator. That is why we need something else. So I'm going to write a linear on TradingView. Then this indicator will come, that is called linear regression channel. Okay, now I click this indicator. Now you can see my setup is fantastic. Okay, so guys, when we talk about the linear regression channel, so this is the overbought levels of the market as per the linear regression channel, and this is the oversold levels of the market. And the good thing, if we talk about the overall trend, as you need to first understand that where the linear regression is directed, it is directed into the upward side. Okay, it's vertically up, so it means that we are completely into the uptrend. So when you are into the uptrend, try your best to take the signals from these areas. And now I'm going to recommend you one thing, that you guys, for example, you want to trade 0.30 lot size here. Okay, so for example, on this buy signal, so first of all, you should consider this thing, that unless the market does not touch the linear regression line, and unless you do not have a one bullish candle from here, you are not going to execute your trade. Okay, and one more thing that is going to help you a lot. For example, we have a bullish signal, we have a bullish candle from this area. So let's say you have taken your your first trade. Okay, so in case if it reversed, then you are going to place the second trade at the outside the boundary of the linear regression channel, and the third trade you will be going to produce here. Okay, so you will be maximum taking the three trades. So why I'm recommending you the three trades with this strategy? Because guys, for example, let's take an example from the first trading area. If you have just plotted your first trade with 0.30 lot size, you will be simply in the loss. Okay, so I personally do some sort of averaging in my trades, because the market is not that simple that it is going to provide you just profit by the one trade. You need to average your trades. If your second trade is from here, and if your third trade is from here, from with the same lot size, we are not going to plan any type of martingale strategy which is dangerous here. No, this is called averaging. So always average your trades like this. Okay, and in case if the market is going to target this area, then you can simply cut your positions, because this is or cut your all three positions, because this trade has it's not valid anymore. Okay, so just look at the recommendations that I am telling you, that we are going to trade from the dead overbought and dead oversold. For example, this was the dead overbought. We can take a sell position from here. That was the dead oversold, and now you can see we have received the one bullish candle. That becomes your entry. If your one trade is going positive, then no need to there is no need to close the open the second trade. No need. Okay, you need to do the averaging if the trade goes against it. And my recommendation is, if you have taken a buy position from here, then your take profit should be somewhere near the middle line of the linear regression channel, right? Okay, similarly, if you just look at this signal, the RSI swing indicator is providing you a sell signal from here, but we cannot trust that one, because we will only be going to trade at the dead overbought level. So we will be looking for the market touch, we will be looking for the rejection candle to take our entry. Otherwise, we are not interested to take any buying and selling positions. So for example, let's have a look on the Bitcoin today. Now you can see this is the same thing that I have taught you right now. Okay, now you can see the market reached to the dead overbought levels. We have received a one bearish candle, so this becomes your entry, and from here you will be going to plan your first trade. And now you can see you can exit, or you can plan little bit more, but exit is good, because if you look at this wick, it went near to the middle line. So guys, this is how you can actually work with this indicator, and if you are going to follow this indicator by following the trends, then you can have a huge impact into the trading market, and you can use this indicator on any time frame. Like for example, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, still you will see that this indicator is very, very useful. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame, and now you can see this was the good entry. Okay, that's why I told you, until unless you do not have one bullish candle, you are not going to take the trade. So if you are going to use it in a way like I have explained in this video, then no one can stop you from making profits into the forex, crypto, and the stock market. So I hope that you guys have understood the linear regression concept completely, and now you understand that how to take the swing rides with the averaging method. Okay guys, moreover, if you want to use the best indicators that I have, the swing trading guru and the bank indicator, you can contact on Telegram. The Telegram link is given in the description of this video, and you can also contact on Telegram from our website. You can also book your 1 hour market maker session, because this is my best seller, and I have a lot of positive feedbacks from my students who are dealing with the 1 hour market maker session, and you can read their reviews that I have received on Telegram, and I have shared them on the website. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the channel, and share this video. Thank you very much.